Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cookies from scratch using an easy method. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix our dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Finally, stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This creates a rich, flavorful base for your cookies. It's time for the fun part, adding your favorite mix-ins. Gently fold in about 2 cups of chocolate chips, nuts, or whatever you prefer into your cookie dough. Once mixed, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, spacing them about 2 inches apart. Bake in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Don't overbake them. Once your delicious cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes. This helps them set and prevents them from breaking when you move them. After 2 minutes, carefully transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy them warm with a glass of milk, or store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.